Welcome to InvestingGoldNow.com, where you always learn something about buying, selling, and trading gold and silver. Now here's your host, Nairik Huskinen.
Hello, my name's Nairik. Today I want to talk to you about the least expensive way to test whether the silver that you're buying is real or not. The least expensive way to test this is with an acid test. Although the acid test is the least expensive method, it's definitely not the safest. This is because the acid is a caustic combination of muriatic acid and sulfuric acid, and it will definitely burn your skin if it comes in contact with it. For this reason, you need to wear protective gloves and eyewear anytime you're handling the acid. You definitely don't want to leave this acid laying around anywhere that children have access to. Before I go on, I need to warn you. Do not test anything other than scrap value metal with acid. If you have a bullion coin that has numismatic value and you try to do an acid test on it, it will lose any numismatic value that it has the instant the acid touches the coin. This is because it's the chemical reaction between the acid and the coin that actually tells you whether it's authentic or not. Okay, as you can see, I have my gloves on, my eye protection on, I have this bottle of acid for testing the coins, and I have these 3 coins. This bottle of acid came in a set of 6 different acids for testing gold, silver, and platinum. As you can see, we have these 3 coins that we're going to be testing today. First one is a .9995 silver coin. The next one is a 1964 junk silver quarter. And the last one is a current day quarter. What we're going to do is put a drop of acid on each one, and the color of the acid that the acid turns after it sits on the coins for a moment will indicate the purity level of the silver content of the coin. A coin that's .999 pure silver will turn the acid bright red. A coin that's .925, or an item that's .925 or sterling silver, will turn the acid dark red. A coin that's .990 silver or 90% silver, also known as junk silver, will turn the acid dark red. And a coin that's 0.8, or an item that's 0.8% silver, 80% silver, will turn the acid brown. And an item that's 50% silver will turn the acid green. If the item contains trace amounts of silver or no silver at all, it will turn the acid aqua. So what we're going to do is put a drop of silver on each coin. And wait for a moment for the acid to do its work. You can see that the acid on the .999 silver coin turns the acid red. The acid on the 90% silver quarter turns the acid dark red. And the acid that's on the modern coin, the quarter that has no silver in it at all, turns the acid aqua. This is exactly how the acid is supposed to react with the coins. You can see that by putting the acid on the silver coins, it actually leaves a burn mark. This is why you don't want to test any coins that have numismatic value with acid. If you do, the coin will lose any numismatic value that it has the minute the acid touches the coin. Although you can't tell the exact purity of the exact silver content of the items by testing them with the acid, you can tell that whether or not there's silver in them. This makes taking this bottle very handy to places like yard sales, garage sales, and flea markets, and testing items that you're considering buying to know whether or not they have silver in it, and that way you can negotiate the best deal possible.
Thank you for watching. You can always ask a question to Nairik and Scott at InvestingGoldNow.com/question. And don't forget to join the community by subscribing at InvestingGoldNow.com/subscribe.